Welcome, pet owners. We all love our furry friends, but we also know how hard it can be to keep our homes clean with them around. Today, we're going to discuss some simple strategies to maintain a clean home with pets. Firstly, it's essential to groom your pets regularly. This helps control shedding and reduces the amount of fur that ends up on your furniture and floors. Regular grooming also keeps your pet's skin healthy and can prevent certain health issues. Another important step is to clean your pet's belongings regularly. This includes their bed, toys, and feeding bowls. These items can harbor bacteria and dirt, so keeping them clean will help maintain the overall cleanliness of your home. Next, let's talk about litter boxes for our feline friends. To prevent odors and mess, clean the litter box daily. Consider using a litter mat to catch any stray litter that gets kicked out of the box. For those with dogs, consider designating a specific area in your home where your dog can dry off and clean up after outdoor adventures. This can help prevent dirt and mud from being tracked throughout your home. Lastly, regular household cleaning is still crucial. Vacuuming regularly, especially in areas where your pets spend a lot of time, can greatly reduce pet dander and fur in your home. Remember, a clean home is a happy home for both you and your pets. With these simple strategies, you can enjoy the company of your pets without sacrificing cleanliness. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning!